Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day so far. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of Christmas DIYs from the Dollar Tree for your tablescape, and these ideas have been in my head for the longest. I'm so excited to get these out for you guys. I've been waiting to make this video because I know it's a little bit early, but then I just wanted to go ahead and upload it. A lot of the things do sell out quick, so I wanted you guys to prepare. You will need an LED candle, silver garland, garland ties, and decorative bows. Taking the end of the garland, I'm just going to wrap it around the end, and you don't need hot glue for this step because it's already going to be covered with the garland, and then just cover the entire candle. There's two long pieces of garland in here, so it's enough to make two candles. For this part, I'm going to add a drop of glue to secure the end of the garland. Here I'm just moving the garland around, making sure that the LED candle is fully covered. I don't want it to see through the garland when the light's on. Grabbing the garland tie, I'm going to measure it and make sure I want it long enough so it can look like a little mini lantern. I really like this look. It looks so adorable. And here I'm just going to bend it so I can get my scissors and go ahead and cut it off. Make sure you bend the garland conforming to the candle. That way when you're going to hot glue it, it helps it stay in place. Add a drop of glue, get the garland tie, add some pressure, and repeat this step on the next one. And for the final step, we're going to add the cute bow right in the middle of the garland tie. This just adds color and it gives it that Christmas vibe, and it's so adorable. Just twist it and then flip it on the back. That way you don't see it. I wanted to add a little bit of bling, of course, so I added one of the little gems I had from Hobby Lobby. Just glued it right on, and here it is. I really like the way this one turned out. It looks super festive and adorable in the bowl. If you're having a party, friends over, this is something to get the conversation going. You'll see it and then you'll just smile. It's just really adorable in person. You guys have to make this at home, and if you do, I'd love to see it. So make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram down below. It's LG Queen Home Decor. For the napkin rings you saw on the plate, you're going to need garland ties, silver napkin rings, and these picks from the Dollar Tree. This part is optional. You can add the bigger berries, or you can leave the other berries that are in the other stem. I just like the fuller look, so that's why I went with the bigger berries. So here I'm going to get the garland and then just tie it around my thumb. I'm doing this step like this because when I add the glue to the napkin ring, I want to make sure the garland stays in place. For this next step, apply some glue in the center and then get your pine cone and glue that down. Applying some glue to the sides of the pine cone, I'm going to add the berries. And here's the final result for the napkin rings. I really enjoyed this festive look for the napkin ring because the berries just make it come to life with the green, and you could have used the berries that were in the other stem, but me personally, I love the fuller look, so it's just up to you. For the last DIY, you're going to need these frosty winter pine cone picks. There was only 4 in my store, but that's okay because this worked out perfectly. Then you're going to need this 15-foot garland, a mini wreath, and this wreath was from a 2-pack, an LED candle, a candle holder, and bling wrap. Since the garland is so long, we're going to be folding it in half and then wrapping it around the wreath. You guys mean so much to me. I'm so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for all your love and support. In every video, I'm going to say it because it's the truth. You guys are such a blessing in my life, and to give back to you in a little way that I can, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving a $50 gift card to either Target or TJMAXX. I'm going to pick one winner and announce it next week. To enter this giveaway, just comment down anything below in the comment box, give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and you can have an additional entry by following me on Instagram. After wrapping all the garland around, make sure that it's nice and fluffy so when you insert the picks that it's nice and full looking and it's not just really thin. I will be planning on doing more Christmas and holiday DIYs, so make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know what you want to see. I'm going to be doing more fall DIYs, but I'm also going to be mixing the both of them. Now that it's nice and full, we're going to go ahead and get the stems. And then when you get the stem, you're going to be able to bend this part right here so you can put it under the wreath and then just snap it together. These picks were such a steal. I saw some at Michael's that were like overly priced, of course, and not even as big as these. And for $1, you just can't beat that. So I'm really happy that I found these. I love the frosted look. I love the snow on them. It looks so beautiful, and I can't wait for you guys to see the end. Now that all the picks are in place, I'm going to spread them apart. That way they can cover more of the green garland. I don't know if you can really see them, but they have a glittered stem to them. They're so glam, very pretty. Now I'm going to get the candle holder. I'm going to add a drop of glue and then put the bling wrap. I chose to go with the silver bling wrap, but of course they have gold, they have red, which I know would look beautiful if you wanted to choose that. You could also cover the entire candle holder with that if you wanted to. You can just get creative however you want. And here's how the beautiful frosted centerpiece turned out, you guys. I combined all the DIYs that I had in mind to create this tablescape, and I'm so happy with how it came out. My husband really liked it. He couldn't believe that all these items were from the Dollar Tree, and of course, they are really stepping up their game. I'm so happy that they came out with these frosted stems. They're really pretty, and I can't wait for you guys to make this. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. You guys have no idea how happy it makes me. It really fills my heart to see that you guys create something that I did, because it just shows that you guys really love what I do, and that means the world to me. So thank you so much. What I love about this centerpiece is that you can use it anywhere in your house. You can put it in your kitchen, you could put it in your living room, on top of your coffee table. I think it would just look absolutely beautiful. You can put it on top of your fireplace mantle. The ideas just go on and on. If you have a holiday party coming up, this would be perfect idea, super affordable and really fun to make. So tag a friend, you know, get creative, have fun, get together and just make things. This concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys really soon, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you part of the family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video.